God is the best doctor and prayer is the best medicine.
Ambition in life is to become a lawyer. I want to help those unprivileged people in our community.
I want to be a doctor. Ashley Lastimoso, your future astronaut.
Good morning everyone, my name is Daniel Ventura. I do a cook trip.
Good morning everyone, my name is Hannah Ahmed. My dream is to become a teacher so that I can encourage and influence young children to reach their full potential no matter what circumstances.
I'm grade 6 pupils. I wanna be a model someday. And I thank you. My name is Marina Ramos. I want to be a nurse someday. Nurses are heroes to the front lines of healthcare. And I thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Micaela Sarongot. I want to be a nurse someday because I want to help poor people someday and I thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Justin D. Chumpang from grade 6 pupil. I want to be a dentist someday. As a dentist, my job is to extract decayed and damaged food from children and old people. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kimber Rabay. I want to marine engineer. I want to travel around the world. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Dan Norito. I want to be someday so that I can earn money and travel the world for free. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is RG Lamila, grade 6. When I grow up, I want to be an engineer. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Wally Jan O. I want to be engineer someday and I thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm Marcia Gawasa. I want to be a sailor. I want to explore the world.
Welcome to the Seafarer life. As a seafarer, I advantage the ocean. I work with a team. I learn new skill every day, from the deckhand to engineer. Join me on this exciting adventure where we explore the ocean and grow together. I'm Major Sugidi, your seafarer.
My name is Jamie Loreto. I am doctor. The people, mahal, the sick people. I'm Sharon. I'm a doctor. My name is Janine Cabrera. I want to be a doctor
and took care and saved my life. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayesha Valenzuela. I want to be a doctor to save life and treat sick people. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I need to study a lot of math and science. I'm third Ashley Lastimoso, your future astronaut. Good morning, everyone. My name is Katie Antoos. I'm 7 years old. I want to be a policewoman. People, thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Carla Joy Lorito. I want to be a doctor because I love to help and save life. Autismo, Dominican Mission as well. Once again, your future Dr. Carla Joy Lorito and I thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Maria Inuentada. Good morning, everyone. My name is Maxwell Padrita. Kami ang magsasaka at kami magtanim. Thank you. I wanna be a teacher to teach our children. Thank you. Grade 3. I want to be a fireman. When I grow up. Good morning, everyone. My name is Daljan and Victoria. I want to be a engineer. God is the best doctor and prayer is the best medicine. I'm Anne Mary Francis Ray Laab, your future physician. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Paula Sugin. I want to be a army soldier to protect my country Good morning, everyone. My name is Jana Dino Murillo. I want to be a soldier because I want to protect my country. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sean Ponte, a grade 4 learner. My ambition in life is to become a lawyer. I want to help those unprivileged people in our community. I will promote equal justice in the court, regardless of the status of my clients. Again, thank you and good morning to all. Good morning, everyone. I am Milord Johan P. Simpao. My ambition is to become a nurse. Why? Because my aunt works as a nurse, helping other people's in need. As a responsibility as a nurse, I will help other people and sick people or even kids to become happy. And thank you and good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Gerald. Grade 4. When I grow up, I want to be a policeman. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Althea Silabrico. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher to teach children like me. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Jewel June D. Ciprasio. I grow up, I want to be a doctor because I want to help sick people, and I thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Abigail Sobredo. I want to be a flight attendant because I want to travel, and I thank you. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Alshin Ray Tambalo. Gusto ko po Ako po ay isang pulis. Ako ang nangangalaga sa katahimikan at kapayapaan. Medicine cures disease, but only doctors can cure patients. I'm a doctor. I'm Julian Ray Santasio, grade 4, and I thank you. Umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ako po ay Sophia Joy Abios. Gusto ko po maging isang guro para maturuan ko mga bata paano magsulat, bumasa, at iba pa. And I thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Prisha Ayana Barwa. I want to be a flight attendant because this kind of work, and I want to travel all countries, and I want to assist all passengers, and I thank
that's a little too large. I start to think about
My name is Abigail Machado. From grade 5 pupils, I want to be a model to show to people the beautiful dress, and I thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jaden Amerlustria. I am grade 5 student. My ambition in life is to become a good and honest soldier. I want to serve our country and protect those who are in need. Thank you.
Good morning. My heart is filled with respect and love, and my eyes moist for the sacrifices of the soldiers. Your future soldier, Jopel Abios.